In this video, I will show you how you can activate Holafly eSIM on Android. So the first step is you need to start by opening up any browser and make sure to visit Holafly website, or you can also do this into your mobile application. Then you just need to make sure to purchase your eSIM plan, whatever you want to go with. And once you have purchased your eSIM plan, you will going to receive a QR code with instructions. Now once you have received the QR code, you can then head over to your device settings, and once you are in your device settings, you just need to look for the option of connection. If you are on like Samsung or Google Pixel, you will have the connection option with the Wi-Fi icon. So give it a go and you will have the option of SIM manager where you can find eSIM. Otherwise, go for mobile network and you will have your eSIM option, which you just need to click on it and then tap on the add eSIM. And then you just need to scan the QR code that you have received from Holafly. And once you have scanned the QR code, you just need to tap on the download on the bottom right, and it will take few minutes to activate your eSIM on your device. And once you have activated your eSIM successfully, you can then head over to mobile network, go for eSIMs, and you will find Holafly eSIM, which is as a moment is disabled. So make sure to click on the three dots and then tap on enable. If you are on some other device, the option might be toggle, so you just need to toggle it on. So that's the way of how you can activate Holafly eSIM on Android.